Hi and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about yapf. Yapf is a Python formatter. In fact, it stands for yet another Python formatter, and it's used for things that a linter wouldn't really catch, but that are important still. For example, you've got here some code that I've written, and if you've been developing in Python for a while, you may see some things that are just a bit weird. For example, you've got a list here. This is fine. You've got two elements, and then you've got another element in a new line, which is maybe okay. And then you've got an element in a new line, but is less indented than the previous element. You've got a for loop here that has a colon this time, but then the body is on the same line. And this is okay in Python. It's just a bit strange. And then you've got a print statement that says we're done here, but it's using single quotation marks, and it's escaping another single quotation mark inside it. It would probably be better to use double quotation marks here instead. But hey, this is fine. This is Python code that actually works. We can run it and run at py, and you can see that things get printed out. So this is all okay. The linter wouldn't necessarily complain, although it would complain about the missing docstring. They always complain about that. But what about the format, right? Well, the format is also important. You want all the code within a project to have consistent format. The reason for that is so that as you go from one file to another, it looks the same. You're not encountering any jarring experiences that are a bit strange. And also, so that everybody working on the project, if you're working with more people, has the same standards of what a good style is, or what the style for the project is. That way, you're not going to sort of go from one file to another and be able to know who wrote it just from what the code looks like. Everybody should have a consistent style so that the code base is the same for everyone. And it doesn't feel, some files don't feel wrong to some people. For that, you have the formatters. The formatters, you can sort of customize them and tell them what style you want, and then all you do is you run your files through the formatter, and it will change the files